Hey, it's Diego with Russ Darrow Chrysler of Madison, and I have 5 helpful tips for your car's maintenance for the summer. Starting off is tip number 1, testing out your AC. So especially when the weather starts to get a little too hot, you don't want to be caught with no AC. So make sure you crank it up all the way. Make sure and you feel that it's blowing cold air. And if it's not, it might need some further diagnosing, or it could be a simple fix of adding more Freon. And tip number 2 is going to be cleaning or replacing your air filters. It is extremely important to constantly be cleaning these or replacing them, as they help the spread of pollutants from getting inside of your clean air in the vehicle. And if you don't clean them out regularly, they could cause some damage to your AC, and you don't want to spend $1,000 to upwards of $4,000 to replace the AC in your vehicle. And tip number 3 is going to be checking your tire pressure. You're going to want to reference the door sill on the driver's side to see exactly what level your PSI should be at, and just go around and check all 4 tires to ensure that they are at the correct level, to ensure that your trip is as safe and sound as possible. And tip number 4 is going to be to rotate your tires. You're going to want to make sure you're rotating your tires routinely. It'll just help increase longevity of the tires and also ensure that they wear and tear evenly. You're going to want to do it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, give or take. And finally, the 5th tip that we have for you is going to be changing your oil, your filter, and making sure that all of your fluids are topped off and ready to go for all of your big road trips. So if your AC isn't working and you're due for an upgrade, come visit us here. But if you want to fix your current vehicle, come visit us here.